are my 3 favorite ways to style this Hermes scarf ring. They are like this, and like this. I'm going to use this size 90 Hermes 12 leopard double face scarf. Bought this one fairly recently in St. Bart, so it might still be available. Really like how it looks with a sweatshirt. It just is very effortless and matches just as well as with anything else. Like this side because it has this little neon outline. So here is the first look. To start this one, I'm gonna put this in a bias fold, folding the corners in until you get a skinny rectangle. Now we have our skinny rectangle. Here is our scarf ring, and I'm just gonna put one corner through one side. Pull it all the way to the middle of the scarf. Keep that in the middle here. Pull it around, and then you're gonna put each corner through the bottom part. Like that, and this is look number 1. So tuck these under and then wear it just like this. Here is our second look, sort of a glorified bandana, an upside down triangle. It around like this, and here is where we take our scarf ring. I'm going to put one side through right here and the other side through right here. Tie it in the back. And now we have a bandana that looks like this. Here is the third look. We're going to start with our skinny rectangle again. Pull it around like this. I'm going to take our scarf ring, and with both corners at the same time, we're going to put them both through the top and then push both corners through the bottom half. Pull it through as much as you want. Then you can have it hang like this. I like that too, and it also looks really pretty with a coat. Those are the 3 ways